Most center consoles top out at 30 feet. The Scout 400 LXF starts at 39.7 with 1,700 horsepower and S-Class construction. This is where center console meets sport yacht. Built by Scout Boats in Summerville, South Carolina. Family owned. The 400 LXF carries Scout's S-Class designation, reserved for models 33 feet and above. Carbon epoxy construction, carbon fiber and e-glass, vacuum infused, with dual-stepped hull technology, 1,700 horsepower maximum, fuel 395 gallons. Full performance specifications are available at yachtspecsdirect.com. What is standard? A Seakeeper 3 DC gyro stabilizer. On a 39-foot open water platform that matters. 39 feet 7 overall, 12 1-beam, 27-inch draft, open cockpit topside with forward cabin accommodations below. 4 features set the 400 LXF apart. The carbon epoxy hull, carbon fiber and e-glass, vacuum infused, delivers structural rigidity and a Class A surface finish. An electronically actuated entertainment station folds the aft seat away to reveal a sink, grill, cutting board, and tackle storage. Patent pending, articulating rocket launchers operate with one button, and Seakeeper 3 is standard equipment, not optional. The 400 LXF includes a forward cabin, enclosed head, shower, sink, and essential galley. Topside, Garmin glass helm, heated captain's chairs, and a hydraulic beach platform in synthetic teak. For pricing and available configurations, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. Bottom line, the definitive reference for the S-Class center console platform. For the full spec sheet, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.